XRP has just broken all-time highs, hitting almost $4. We were just last year 50 cents, 40 cents. But guess what? Although we've gotten really high and we've pumped a lot, this is just the beginning and there is still much more room for XRP to grow. And XRP, in my opinion, it's non-financial advice, is going to be going much higher. In this video, we have breaking news with what is going on in the government with Donald Trump regarding XRP and cryptos. We have to talk about it. We also have to talk about some price predictions for XRP. Where could it potentially go, especially with all of this breaking news today? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you love XRP and stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. XRP reached $3.66 last night, almost $4. I mean, honestly, XRP was about 10% away or less from $4. Can you guys believe that? $4. That's absolutely incredible. Ever since Donald Trump today has signed in the Genius Act and all these other bills today, the market has been pulling back. So this was a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Cryptos were pumping because they were anticipating this event of the Genius Act and all these stablecoin bills. And guess what? Now the market could potentially be cooling off for a very short period of time. XRP is selling off, and even ALGOSNIPER is giving a sell alert here on the 1 hour time frame. You did get a buy alert here at $2.88 before this latest pump, and then again at $2.71, and then again at $2.24. So every single sell alert, we have seen a little bit of a pullback for XRP with ALGOSNIPER. You guys can try today for $1 at algosniper.com, but it's very likely cryptos have pumped up massively. They are probably going to cool off at least for a couple of days. And I do expect cryptos to continue pumping. We are in a very strong bullish trend, and I have some incredible news for you. If we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance, it is crashing at a rate and pace faster than you could possibly imagine, which means we are catapulting ourselves into altcoin season, which when we have altcoin season, cryptos are going to be pumping harder and faster than you could possibly imagine or even calculate on your phones. Apparently, the Ripple co-founder has cashed out $26 million in profits as the asset has reached all-time highs. Quite interesting. The next XRP hits all-time highs above $3.60 as major crypto bills clear the house. So these crypto bills, what they are going to be doing for crypto and stablecoins and banks and institutions, it's basically, let's just dumb it down and not get into the semantics of it. These bills that have been signed are going to allow more money to pour into crypto much faster than you could possibly even imagine. That's what it means, and that's what's taking place, and that's why cryptos are pumping so hard and strong, and they're probably going to continue to be pumping for a very, potentially many more months, and very hard. Notice that they will not allow cryptos to crash. They will not allow stocks to dip or crash. They keep pumping the market, and they're going to keep doing that. On top of it, they're going to be cutting interest rates here very soon, and that's going to be pumping XRP beyond your greatest dreams. Look at this. American Express, Bank of America, and Santander are now using XRP, according to this data source revealed by this guy named Smoke. So these banks, they're going to be using XRP here very soon, and guess what? We are still very early. These bills are just the beginning. We're literally right here. We're going to be going way up here. This is where I think we are at in this crypto cycle. And according to the 4-year cycle, we should top out and pull back on the fourth quarter, so towards September, October this year. And that's where I really will be taking profits. And you should definitely consider taking profits around September. It is possible that we might not follow the 4-year cycle anymore with all of these new bills and adoption. So we're gonna have to see how that goes. Yesterday in my group, we made over $80,000 with one trade because we bought XRP at $3 and we pumped it up all the way above our price target, $3.40. Ended up going to $3.60. I personally took profits at $3.40. Some people took profits at the very highs. If you guys want to follow the most profitable trade alerts on the internet, make sure you join the Patreon right now. So if we take a look at Bitcoin here, what we can see is that Bitcoin appears to be forming a head and shoulders pattern. And that means that Bitcoin is not breaking out anymore. It's consolidating. And when we start to consolidate, yes, we can keep going higher, obviously, and that's more likely in a bull market. But after things have pumped so much in these recent, just about a week, this probably means that we're probably going to pull back once we start to form these lower highs here. So we could see around $112,000 for Bitcoin, and this is going to most likely be the bottom of this pullback, correction, whatever you want to call it. And this is going to be where you're going to want to be buying altcoins in XRP. Ethereum is starting to wake up and do really, really good. And this is very bullish for XRP, by the way. So what I think is going to happen for XRP is I think we're probably going to come somewhere around this $3 region, maybe somewhere over here, $3.10. Somewhere in this region here is where I think XRP could potentially pull back. And if we do get this pullback here, this is where I'm looking to buy back XRP and ride it up for about $5 to $6, maybe $7. I might not even sell. I might just hold with this entry here until September or so, because there is so much bullish and pending news that's coming out. It's incredible, and you really need to be having exposure to this market. Make sure you guys are trading over on Bluefin. This is the platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. You can buy and sell cryptos like XRP with the cheapest fees on the internet. If you use Coinbase, Robinhood, or any of these platforms, the fees to buy and sell XRP is tremendous. Over here, it's like 0.001% fee. It's incredibly cheap. You need to use it. And they're also giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. That's gonna be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.